Megan with Thousand Generation Farms. For all of you who wonder what goes on when harvest is done, I say that like it's exciting. We are gonna kind of show you. So, won't you come farming with us? So, what we're gonna work on right now is putting an air filter in the Duramax, and then we will probably empty out the combine and park the grain cart, and probably park the tractor for tonight. So, we will see how all that goes. We actually had a hiccup with the 4440, and now I will tell you about that in just a minute. So something I do want to tell you guys, we actually had some rust starting to come in on the pickup, and so we had these fender flares put on, and they look great. Joseph, where did we get that from? American Truck? American Truck. I'll try and link them in the description because they actually turned out really well. As you can see, they're pretty affordable too, and they were here in like a day. So really nice. Thank you. What are you doing, Joseph? Replace your air filter.
Fixed my, or not fixed, I replaced the headlight.
Replace the headlight. And he needs oil. This old girl's getting a lot of TLC.
So this is the air filter box here. Air filter's in here. And I think, well, we'll just take this off. So yeah, now she's loose. Actually, I wonder if I couldn't just, nah, I'll just take it off. So I'll unhook this sensor. Maybe.
Dusty, dusty. Nice clean new filter. So how long has it been since you changed that?
Never.
Never. We've had it, what, 5 years?
Yeah.
4 years?
That's pretty bad. I should change it. So.
But we don't drive it that often.
No. This guy just goes back on there. Cows are hungry.
So that's the new air filter. This is the old.
Should come off.
Do you need a step stool?
Yeah. No problems.
So this is pretty easy to do on your own.
Yeah, that's not bad. I can get everything line back up like it's supposed to.
Hungry, hungry. It's supper time, girls. You act like you're hungry. Hope you found your baby. So Joseph's gonna empty the auger of this grain cart out. Hope we'll get some corn in the bag, and then we'll feed it to the animals.
No.
Kelso! No! It's alright. Please don't make that. And then
Spilled a little. So Joseph's actually just
ah!